Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black's pawn is moving this direction. And white can deliver checkmate in two moves, meaning white can actually checkmate the black king within only two moves, right? So your job is to find that move. And if you checkmate the black king more than two moves, it is considered not solving the problem. So guys, you can pause the video as always and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here the thing you need to notice is the king, the black king is trapped, and this would be almost a checkmate, but now the queen is simply defending that, and we probably have a kind of different type of checkmating ideas, but only one move leads to mate in two. So first off, you may probably think putting your queen like this, and you are going to move the king out of the way and somehow deliver a checkmate. But this would be too slow for you. Even if black didn't do anything, didn't play the right response like this, you wouldn't probably deliver a checkmate, right? You can play here, but this is going to be a checkmate in 3, right? So that is not the idea, and black is not going to move that way. Black can simply cut your king and you are suffocated, and you are not going to win in two moves, right? So this is not the correct move. And the other idea is to play queen to e2 to deliver checkmate on h2. But again, this idea doesn't work because black would simply play queen to g1, defending the checkmate, right? So what else can we try? Well, we probably play queen to e4, and then this would be very nice idea as the check comes in two sides, right? So now black cannot defend both of them. If black plays their queen to g1, this is going to be checkmate, and this is indeed checkmate in 2. But the problem with this move is black is going to play king to g1, and it's defending the checkmate idea that previously had. So we don't have anything, right? So if we play this, black is going to go back, and yes, this is checkmate, but this is checkmate in 3, right? So we are allowed to checkmate in 2 moves only, and this is considered as not solving the problem. So what else can we try then? Well, the move is queen to a8, sacrificing the queen. So the idea is similar. We are going to deliver checkmate like this. So if black didn't do nothing, for example, if black plays the same move as before, we simply deliver checkmate this way, right? So black can do a lot of things, but since the check can come in 2 ways, this is going to be just double check, and the king would simply have no legal move to play, and that is going to be checkmate. But what if black captures this? Well, if black captures our queen, we can actually deliver checkmate this way, because the queen would be deflected and capture our queen. So that is the idea, and there would be no defense in this scenario. So previously black kind of skipped to g1, and you may probably ask, what if the king moves to g1? So what do we do now? Well, now we can simply capture black's queen and deliver a devastating checkmate like this. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.